Hi friends and welcome back to my channel Coinceras. Listen in as we discuss XRP, a phenomenal power play, you won't regret it. The chart is yours to use as you choose. We will also go over the once-in-a-lifetime deal that was discussed in the last video. For those who have tuned in before, today's video will focus on an XRP chart multiple times. In fact, we will complete all tasks within the allotted 8 minutes. Well, I'll be happy to dive in. Ethereum has reached a new high of 64,516, representing a 1% increase. Throughout the previous day, I felt like my drive was dwindling. On the other hand, you have the entire weekend to relax and have fun. In theory, everything ought to shift in the next 2 or 3 weeks. 486 The US dollar T and US dollar C are presently moving towards the dollar pegs at a rate of 3% each, as per your desire. Is XRP an option? Are you completely confused? Currently, the cost is 48 cents. Not quite 3% has elapsed. A new record high of $2,362 billion was just achieved by the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Sourcing and demand are addressed by this route. When are we next to each other? It was said in the first video, but there are only 21,000,000 XRP that may be traded publicly. You have a good grasp of the idea of supply and demand. The ever-present forces of supply and demand work hand in hand. A decrease in supply and an increase in demand cause prices to rise. Well, that's pretty much it. There aren't many calculations that are easier than this one. You may easily find a cryptocurrency with a lower total circulating supply by comparing it to others. Could you please explain how the pricing changes in response to an increase in demand? Cliff, it's a pleasure to meet you. We'll let you know when they begin to climb. Someone showed you the RSI chart. The momentum of an asset starts to diminish the instant it reaches its oversold level. It is rapidly reaching an upward trend, similar to XRP. According to Mr. Zoom, this Ethereum is quite pricey. The processing time and cost of Bitcoin are significant. Solana, the problem persists. The only way to remedy this is if you tell me. We are aware that there is a straightforward and easy way out of this jam. For a long time, the XRP ledger has been the go-to for those who deny the existence of XRP and use the excuse that it is a bank coin to avoid real opposition. Bitcoin is receiving a lot of funding, despite the fact that we are not a bank. I don't mind if banks use Bitcoin as long as the announcement is about XRP and not Bitcoin itself. Because of this, their value increases. Bitcoin magazine only printed it after he went to all that trouble. This is considered by Bitcoin. What does he mean by that? Be careful, since we know what he's saying. I thought they could print anything amount in dollars. It would never occur to me to ask. The customer can simply make an order and print it off whenever needed. You can find a complete rundown of how to create and print money right here. It is absolutely mind-blowing, in case you haven't seen it before. The Federal Reserve prints it whenever they need it, despite the fact that it violates logic. According to market analysts, XRP's value would skyrocket if it manages to break through the 27 quarterly hammer candle pin. Here is the chart. Pay attention, this frequency range is located over here. As measured from 87 to 27. On the same page. The total is 100%, but which component is the most crucial? For a while now, quinoa has been on my list of recommended foods. In order to finalize this contract before the year ends, what is the most important number considering the 75-cent hike to our final pricing? When we reach higher elevations in these target areas, I have already told you that we were closing above 10, and my objective for 2025 is to see XRP hit double digits. Come celebrate with us XRP holders at the most epic party you've ever been to. I guarantee it will be the best one you've ever been to. An extravagant party, everyone, please stand up. Of course. Preparing for the future with XRP is one option. The fact that XRP's value doubled in a single day and increased 12 to 13 times its initial investment in the SEC versus Ripple Labs litigation shows its durability. For a long time, XRP has found a strong support structure in the 40 to 50 cent range. When compared to these other currencies, XRP has no turning back. I have been steadily pouring more and more cryptocurrencies into my portfolio in the hopes of future price increases. Are you kidding me? Is instant cash something you're looking for? Do not invest in XRP. You find this entirely dull. Since 2017, I have been undergoing that ongoing power struggle. I also have something important to tell you about the time. It is vital. If time allows, I'd want to tell you about a once-in-a-lifetime buying opportunity before we move on to that last item. After 7 years, 6. This is something you've never seen before, but I buy it every Monday. Put this one aside, it's not worth your time. It's been at least 3 or 4 months since I first brought it up with you. It will immediately rise above 100 once the modification occurs. You may quickly get your money, cash it out, and reinvest it. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. See you in next video. Bye.